Mosquito trap. Creating a water-based mosquito trap can be a simple and effective way to reduce mosquito populations in your backyard. Here's a basic guide to creating a DIY water mosquito trap. Materials you'll need: plastic bottle, 2-liter soda bottle or similar, sharp knife or scissors, black paper or cloth, tape, sugar, water, yeast. Steps: prepare the bottle. Clean and dry the plastic bottle. Using a sharp knife or scissors, carefully cut the top third of the bottle off. This will create a funnel-like structure. Invert the cut-off portion and place it inside the remaining bottom part of the bottle to create a funnel. Make the trap attractive. Cover the outside of the funnel with black paper or cloth. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark colors, and this will help make the trap more appealing to them. Prepare the bait. Mix warm water with sugar until the sugar is dissolved. Allow the mixture to cool. Add a small amount of yeast to the sugar-water mixture. Yeast produces carbon dioxide, which attracts mosquitoes. Assemble the trap. Pour the sugar water and yeast mixture into the bottom of the bottle. Place the funnel portion, with the black side facing in, back onto the bottle. The narrow end of the funnel should be pointing downward and just above the sugar water mixture. Position the trap. Place the trap in an area where mosquitoes are active. This could be near outdoor seating areas, plants, or areas with standing water. Maintenance. Check the trap regularly and empty it as needed to prevent the collected mosquitoes from breeding. Replace the bait, sugar water and yeast mixture every 1 to 2 weeks to ensure its effectiveness. The idea behind this trap is that mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide produced by the yeast and the dark interior of the funnel. They will enter the funnel in search of the CO2 source and sugar water, but once inside, they will have difficulty finding their way out. Keep in mind that while this DIY water mosquito trap can capture some mosquitoes, it might not be as effective as commercial traps that utilize more sophisticated attractants and mechanisms. It's recommended to use this type of trap in conjunction with other mosquito control methods for better results.